Advocate Sulaiman Bhimani, and I welcome you all to the Citizens Justice Forum video channel. Our mission is to empower Indian citizens by sharing videos and knowledge about their fundamental rights as described in the Constitution of India. If you are watching us for the first time, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon and select all so you receive notification whenever we upload a new video or go live. Sharing this video with your contacts and friends would be greatly appreciated. I'm excited to share some good news with you as well. We have recently launched another video channel for stock market called Green Wallet. The channel focuses on technical analysis based on the Japanese candlestick patterns. आदाब, नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल दोस्तों, आप सभी का स्वागत है सिटीजन जस्टिस फोरम के इस वीडियो चैनल पर। हमारा मिशन भारतीय नागरिकों को उनके अधिकारों के बारे में जागरूक करना है जो उनको भारतीय संविधान ने दिए हैं। अगर आप ये वीडियो पहली बार देख रहे हो तो कृपया उसे सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को क्लिक करके सबको चुने ताकि हम जब भी नए वीडियो अपलोड करते हैं या ऑनलाइन आते हैं तो आपको उसकी सूचनाएं मिलती रहे। हमें बहुत खुशी होगी अगर आप ये वीडियो को अपने दोस्तों और संपर्क के साथ में साझा करें। मैं आपके साथ एक अच्छी खबर और साझा करना चाहता हूं कि हमने स्टॉक मार्केट के लिए एक नई वीडियो चैनल चालू की है जिसका नाम है ग्रीन वैलेट, जिसकी लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में प्रोवाइड की है और आप उसको भी सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हो। और आज की जो हमारी एक टॉपिक है ये ऑक्यूपेशन सर्टिफिकेट को लेके, और मैंने ये मेरे ब्लॉग के ऊपर डाला था 2016 में। हाईकोर्ट का एक जजमेंट आया था और वो जजमेंट ने ऑक्यूपेशन सर्टिफिकेट नहीं होने पे होम बायर के ऊपर क्या होता है और बिल्डर के ऊपर क्या होता है, ये पूरा डिस्क्रिप्शन मैंने दिया है और वो ब्लॉग के ऊपर मैंने वो ऑर्डर भी अपलोड किया है। तो चलिए देखते हैं। It is against the law to move into a flats or shop or any units, whether it is industrial or whatever it is, without a mandatory municipal occupation certificate, जिसको हम आम भाषा में ओसी कहते हैं। The Bombay High Court has ruled a division bench of Justice C.S. Dharamadhikari and Justice Gautam Patel sought action on 49 flat owners as well as a nursing home in 2 wings of a building with 6 wings in Sand East, occupying the building without occupation certificate and commencing the activity styled as nursing home cannot be continued and permitted in law. They will have to proceed against by the municipal corporation, said the judges. The BMC told the court it will issue notices to the 49 families which moved into wings E and F as well as the nursing home on the first floor. The court is ordered could have an impact beyond this multi-storied sign building. There could be as many as 6,000 buildings in Mumbai without OCs. Maybe this figure is less, it can be more. Right? Over 1 lakh families stay in such buildings. A few years ago, a state government amnesty scheme for such buildings received repeat response, a very small response, with just around 100 buildings seeking regularization. The court was hearing a petition filed by the Sion Kamgar Co-operative Society. So this was a redevelopment project. Already there was a society by the name of Kamgar Co-operative Society that had leased the land in a central location in Sion for 999 years in the 1950s. A few years ago, it went for redevelopment. In its petition, the society claimed that while 4 wings were constructed as per plans, 2 additional wings were put up, which now house around 50 families and also has a nursing home on the first floor. The society asked the court to initiate action against the nursing home. The court admonished the BMC for its conduct. What we find is that there is a complete silence maintained in the corporation with regard to the construction of wings E and F, and whatever they are unauthorized as claim, said the judges. The BMC's counsel admitted before the court that both E and F wings did not have any occupation certificate. The court added that the nursing home might have been unaware of the disputes between the society and the developers. But the law did not permit occupying a building without OC. The BMC claimed that it had allowed the nursing home to set up as it had all licenses and the corporation had taken an undertaking from the hospital owners that the OC would be produced whenever it is issued. The HC, the High Court said this was not enough. The building was known as Sai Prasad. So whatever the BMC were trying to cover up their wrong, they said that they have taken an undertaking from the nursing home that as and when they get an occupation certificate, they will come and produce before the BMC authorities. So this was only because maybe the nursing home people, the owner of the nursing home, were very resourceful and they were managed to do all these things. The government in 1956 allotted land in central location in Sand East to the Sion Kamgar Cooperative Housing Society to set up flats for its members. Around a decade ago, the society went in for a redevelopment. The builder constructed 4 wings A, B, C, D as per the rules. The society alleged that a violation of rules of 2 additional wings with 56 flats and a nursing home were constructed despite stop work and demolition notices. यानी आप समझ लो कि बीएमसी ने स्टॉप वर्क नोटिस भी दिया, डिमोलिशन नोटिस भी दिया, फिर भी बिल्डर जो है अपना काम पूरा करते गया और लोगों को पोजीशन भी दिया विदाउट ऑक्यूपाइंग एन ओसी. यानी आप समझते हो कि बिल्डर लोग को कायदे कानून की जरा भी डर नहीं है. दे डोंट केयर अ हुड. They know that they can manage it and they are so resourceful. Families moved in and the nursing home was set up. The society's new managing committee moved the High Court seeking action against the nursing home. During the hearing, the BMC admitted that the 2 wings did not have OC. The High Court sought action against the 49 families who had moved into the flats and the nursing home as no occupation certificate was obtained in these 2 wings. Now, what is OC? Let's understand. To construct a building, a developer needs commencement certificate, which is in normal or in the normal parley, it is known as CC, and in intimation of disapproval, which is known as IOD. So first you get an IOD, then you get a CC, and after the building is completed, you get an OC that is called occupation certificate. Once the building is complete, the builder has to obtain an occupation certificate, which certifies that the building has been completed as per the approved plans. Why is an OC important? Only once the OC is issued can flat owners occupy the apartment as per law. Why OC is important? Because जब तक अगर OC नहीं है और आप अगर वो फ्लैट को ऑक्यूपाई करते हो तो वो इलीगल माना जाएगा और उसके लिए आपको पेनल्टी भी भरनी पड़ती है. As otherwise the building is considered illegal, a new flat owner should insist on an occupation certificate from the builder before moving in. What if there is no occupation certificate? The BMC charges double the water tax. यानी अगर आपके बिल्डिंग में ओसी नहीं है तो BMC जो नॉर्मल वाटर चार्ज है, समझो वो आपकी बिल्डिंग का 1 लाख रुपए आता होगा तो उसके जगह पे वो 2 लाख रुपया चार्ज करेंगे डबल. एंड अदर टैक्सेस, यानी दूसरे टैक्सेस भी जो है वो भी आपके जो नॉर्मल रहते हैं उससे ज्यादा होगा या डबल होगा. और corporation can also initiate action against the flat owners or the occupier, whether it is an industrial gala, shop or a nursing home. As the law says, no person can move into a building without occupation certificate. Many builders do not bother to get occupation certificate and often new flat owners move into the flats in a hurry once the construction is completed. What if your building does not have an OC? अगर आपके बिल्डिंग के पास OC नहीं है तो उसका क्या परिणाम हो सकता है? The residents can approach the BMC, seek regularization of the plans, comply with the norms. However, the law says that if the building has been constructed without any plans, cannot be regularized. And अगर आपकी बिल्डिंग का अगर कोई प्लान अप्रूव ही नहीं है तो उसका रेगुलराइजेशन होना मुश्किल है, ऑक्यूपेशन सर्टिफिकेट मिलना मुश्किल है. हाँ, अप्रूव प्लान के बाद में अगर थोड़ी बहुत बिल्डर ने हेरा फेरी की है और उसके कारण उसको ऑक्यूपेशन नहीं मिल रहा है और आप ऑक्यूपाई कर रहे हो और आपको उसको रेगुलराइज करना है तो उसमें चांसेस है कि आप पेनल्टी भर के या उसका मॉडिफिकेशन करके आप उसको रेगुलराइज कर सकते हो. व्हाट डज द कोर्ट सेज? Occupying the building without occupation certificate and commencing the activity styled as nursing home cannot be continued and permitted in law. They will have to be proceeded against the municipal corporation. The Bombay High Court. What happens when if the building does not have an occupation certificate? Now, one point. Without occupation certificate, it is difficult to get water and sanitation connection. If water connection is sought under the humanitarian ground, then the charges are 4 times higher than the normal. Banks and financial institutions insist on occupation certificate before they approve loans. 3. Building not having an occupation certificate or constructed beyond the sanction plan are treated as illegal and not easily marketable. Fourth point, citizens who have invested their hard-earned money in such buildings which does not have occupation certificate face hardship and sleepless night and have no option but to take possession of their flat without power, water and sewer connection in fear of losing their flat or their lifetime saving. Fifth point is a very important point, right? You could be penalized up to rupees 25,000 per occasion under the section 353A of the BMC Act for occupation of building without regularized or requisite occupation certificate. फ्रेंड्स, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अगर आपके पास ओसी नहीं है तो आप इमीडिएटली उसके लीगल एक्शन देखो. और आज की तारीख में कंज्यूमर कोर्ट्स में ये केसेस बहुत ज्यादा आ रहे हैं क्योंकि अगर आपने 2017 के पहले आपकी बिल्डिंग तैयार हो गई है, 2017 के पहले आपकी सोसाइटी फॉर्म हो गई है, तो रेरा में आप नहीं जा सकते हो. तो इट इज बेटर टू अप्रोच अ कंज्यूमर फोरम where you can say that it is the liability and obligation of the builder to obtain OC. Second, immediately you have to file in the same thing that the conveyance of the plot in the name of the society. For that, you can get a good amount of compensation because it comes under unfair trade practice and deficiency of service. So if you check, if you don't have an OC, immediately start the legal remedy. To stay tuned to our channel for more updates on legal matters that affect you. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe for more engaging content on legal issues. See you again in the next video with new topic. Till then, take care, stay blessed, be safe and remain healthy.